Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, there's something really interesting that I want to show you on how to be able to take any trade on VIX 10 index using the very small size of 0.50. Okay, so if you have access to this powerful strategy, I believe that anything regarding trading price action on VIX 10 index will be possible for you. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the powerful strategy that I was able to use, and as you can see that we are already running in profits already. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, I want you to like this video, turn on your notification bell, and kindly share this video so that more people will get to see this powerful strategy and use it to make money for themselves in the financial market. So right about now, I'm going to head over to my chart now and show you the exact strategy that I was able to use to take this trade entry. So this is my chart here. So the first thing I want you to notice is the candlestick price action pattern. So you will notice on my chart that I have a double top. Okay, so that was the first thing I noticed. Now whenever you see a double top in the market, do not take a trade entry. Okay, now the first thing you want to do before taking a trade entry using a double top is to first of all determine the trend of the market. Okay, you want to determine the trend of the market. So that's the first thing. So we are going to look now and see what is the direction of the market, because obviously you can see that we are in a sell here. So for us to be in a sell, it means that the market is supposed to be in a downward trend, and for us to determine that, we'll have to go to the 4-hour time frame to see if this market is actually in a downward trend. So on the 4-hour time frame, or we can make use of the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily time frame, you will notice that this is a downward market. Okay, so if I take out my tool and draw it out for you, you will notice that this was the previous high here, and the market sold all the way down. Okay, so market bought, sold from this high here all the way down to this high here. So you can see that this is a downward market. So whatever we'll be doing in this market is for us to be taking a sell, is for us to be looking for sell opportunities. Okay, and that was how we are able to take this trade entry. So the first thing is to determine the trend, and so we already confirmed that this trend is a downward trend, and that was the first confirmation that made us to take this trade entry and saw the sell opportunity, and we took it. Okay, so back to the 30 minutes time frame. So on the 30 minutes time frame, we notice already that this is a double top. Okay, our double top now is following the trend direction. Okay, then the next thing we want to determine for us to be able to take a trade like this is to determine the key level. Okay, is to determine the key level. All right, so remember, the first thing is our trend, and then the second thing is our key level. So what is a key level? A key level can be something as support and resistance, supply and demand, and other block. So in this video, we'll be considering our support and resistance. Okay, so if you've not heard of support and resistance, you can do it to read about that. So for our downtrend, we want to be considering our resistance level. Okay, and so if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you will notice that there is a strong resistance level. Okay, so there's a strong resistance level. So we can see that previously in time past, price rejected from this level. Okay, so this is a resistance level. It means that price is resisting. Okay, price is resisting at this particular level. So it is because of that we notice that whenever price returns back to this level here, price is definitely going to resist. Okay, so these are just the first two simple confirmation we want to use to take our trade entry. So remember, the first is the trend, which tells us that this is a downward trend. Okay, the second is our key level, which is our resistance level. Okay, and then the third confirmation will be for us to go now to the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, to go to the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, then we'll be able to identify our double top. Okay, and then our double top cannot come in place. Okay, so the third confirmation is to look for a candlestick pattern. Okay, is to look for a candlestick pattern. So that will be your third confirmation before taking this trade entry. So look for a candlestick pattern, and the candlestick pattern we saw was our double top. Okay, so there are other types of candlestick pattern like a double top, and we have candlestick pattern like a head and shoulder. Remember in our previous video we talked about head and shoulder, and head and shoulder pattern is a reversal pattern telling us the market is going to sell for a downward trend, and we have our inverted head and shoulder pattern telling us the market is going to buy for an uptrend market. Okay, and just here you will notice that on the 30 minutes time frame with our double top here, you will notice that market is about reversing. And so what we did was to wait for market to break out of this trend line. Okay, so you can see our trend line, but before market broke out from this trend line, I already knew that price was going to be selling, and that was why I did not wait for market to break out of this trend line. And you can see that after market broke out from this trend line, it retested it, and that was why it started selling hard. Okay, but I did not wait, because inside of this double top, inside of this triangle pattern, you will notice that there are other opportunities inside that I will be showing you how to take this trade entry. Okay, so the first thing you will notice using your arrow tool is that you will notice that there was an order block level here. Okay, there was an order block level here, this green candle. Okay, you will notice that there was an order block candle here, this green candle. Okay, and then price had to go back to retest it. You will notice that price had to go back to retest it after price sold from this other block candle. So an order block candle is a last candle before a strong sell. So this was the last buy candle before market sold hard, and then when market was coming back, it retested this other block candle. Okay, it retested this other block candle, and then definitely I was able to take this entry somewhere right about then. Okay, so after market took out retested this candle here, it was expected that market broke out this low. Okay, market broke out this low, and which market did here, it took out this low. And when I saw this, I knew that definitely if market was to retest it again, I was going to sell there and expect market to break out from this trend line, and that was what market did. Market retested it again, and then I took this sell somewhere around here, and the market broke out of this trend line and then retested the market back again. Okay, and that's why you saw that I put my stop loss here should the case market wants to go back and take out my level. And then you notice that market retested it and market started selling hard. Okay, so these are some of the things you want to be looking out for whenever you want to take any trade on VIX 10 index. So the first thing you want to do is to determine, remember the trend. Do not forget, always make sure that the trend is either an upward trend or a downward trend, and then you want to identify your key level, either a support or a resistance, supply and demand, order block, whatever it is, and then you want to check out for your candlestick pattern. Okay, candlestick pattern. So if you have these three confirmations in the market, then definitely you are good to go to take any trade for yourself and make any amount of money in this video, in your trading journey. So if this video makes sense to you, please kindly leave a like in this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, and please do well to share this video so that other people will get to see this video and make good trading decisions whenever they open their charts and want to trade. So guys, cheers, and do not forget, make sure you do not risk more than a certain percentage of your capital in the market. And guys, practice this first on your demo accounts before you plan on going live. So I will see you guys in my next trading video. Happy trading.